Welcome back, everyone. In this chapter we are going to build another application, which is going to be a voice game. So what you can see here is I have this tap to record button which I can click on, and then I have these other buttons which allow me to play around and, as example, slow down the audio that I have just recorded, then make it faster, make it pitch like Darth Vader, and make it pitch like a chipmunk. So let's record something. This is my recording and I want to test the speed and all the other features. Alright, now let's go ahead and play it slowly. This is my recording and I want to test the speed and all the other features. Alright, yeah, that sounds really bad. And then let's do it in super fast.
This is my recording and I want to test the speed and all the other features. This is my recording and I want to test the speed and all the other features.
And now let's do it Darth Vader style.
This is my recording and I want to test the speed and all the other features.
And now chipmunk style.
This is my recording and I want to test the speed and all the other features.
Alright, there we are. So, as you can see, you can build loads of beautiful and stupid stuff around it. So yeah, as example, this Talking Tom application, I think at the beginning it was really just one thing and it changed the pitch of your speech. Of course, you here have to tap the recording in order to record, but you could change this this application very easily in order to be the same as this Talking Tom app, which has been downloaded like, I don't know, 100 million of times. And yeah, let's go ahead and build this application in our next video and the following videos, of course.